Most people think high rollers win because they bet bigger. They don't. The best high-stakes players follow a few simple rules. Break one, and even millions of dollars won't save you. Watch enough high-limit Baccarat and you'll notice something. The biggest players aren't always the loudest. They're usually the calmest. That's because they're not chasing excitement. They're protecting decisions. Here are 5 rules experienced high rollers almost never break, and every Baccarat player can use them. A losing hand doesn't change the next one. High rollers know that, so when they lose, they don't suddenly double their bets out of frustration. Because once emotions start sizing your bets, logic has already left the table. The goal isn't to recover quickly, it's to avoid making a bad session even worse. Average players decide when to leave during the session. High rollers decide before it starts. They know their stop loss, they know their target, and more importantly, they know when enough is enough. Because the hardest decision isn't placing a bet. It's walking away when your emotions tell you to stay. 5 wins in a row feels incredible. It also makes players dangerous. Not because they're winning, because they start believing they're seeing something nobody else can. High rollers respect streaks. They don't worship them. Confidence is useful. Overconfidence is expensive. This surprises a lot of people. High rollers don't think about today's biggest win. They think about tomorrow's opportunity. Every chip they lose today is one they can't use later. That's why survival comes before profit. If your bankroll disappears, so do your options. This might be the most important rule. The moment they notice frustration, impatience, or the urge to get even, they stop, because they know something most players learn too late. The biggest threat at the table isn't the cards. It's the person making the decisions. Notice something? None of these rules tell you when to bet banker or player. Because long-term success in Baccarat isn't built on predicting cards. It's built on controlling yourself. Comment discipline if you think rule number 5 is the hardest one to follow. And subscribe for more insights into how the world's best Baccarat players think, not just how they bet.